Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a quiz on Canva. So you want to write down YouTube video, for example, so the dimensions would fit if you would want to upload it to YouTube. And here you can actually choose a template you want to use. So for today's video, I'm just going to choose this template and we're going to customize it for our quiz. So just click customize and you will be redirected to this page. Now I will delete this option and maybe let's leave the wording and leave one button only. Now I will use these buttons for my answers. So I'm gonna have 3 answers. And let's make it like so. So of course you want to choose a background. This will be the background I will use, and I will change the transparency of it and maybe choose a black color. And I'll make it white. So our question will be, where is the deepest part of the earth? Like so. Now, of course, we want to make it smaller and make the line spacing closer to each other. Let's also remove the animation, which is already here, because we want to add our own. And for the text, I would suggest to add it in effect like an outline. And for example, make it black. So it would be something like so. So this is our question. Now our answers will be like so. So we want to put ABCs here. So I'm just gonna also remove the animation and add an outline to our text and make it black. Now just copy every single thing here and put the second answer and the third answer like so. As you can see, Canva shows the spacing between these, so you can make it the same. And let's write down B and C. And of course, let's write our answers. Now we have our answers. What you want to put here is also a timer, maybe. Which one fits you the best? I'm just gonna put this one here in the corner. And also I want the person to have 10 seconds for his answer, so I'm just gonna make it 10 seconds. And also let's put an audio, so when you write timer you can just scroll there and you will find an audio. So let's put a timer now. If you want to make it longer, you will have to just duplicate it. So let's make it to let's just click the right click of our mouse and you just duplicate the track like so, and make it till the end of this video. And that's how it will look like. It will have an timer effect when everything starts like so. Now also we want to put some effects, some animations, so that the answer appears like so, maybe. Let's maybe leave it like that. Let's make the same to every single one of those. And also let's change this color because the answer will be in green. So let's make it like so. And also you can put some type of ocean photo here. So I'm just gonna put it here for the sake of this video. Like so, position it to the back a little bit. And also I will edit this photo and add a shadow. with a blurred effect and make it white, like so. So this is our question, and we can actually put the clock here. Maybe it will look way better. So let's leave it like so. And now for our answer, you want to go ahead on this one and just duplicate it like so. And then I will remove the timer, and also I want to remove all of the animations from here. And let's make our answer green, just like so. And this is how it will look like. Now, when we play our video, like so. As you can see, this is the question, and now this is how it looks like. You can also add some transitions. There is a flow transition. Maybe we want to put a color wipe, for example. And yeah, that's how we create a quiz on Canva.